Horses out, fireworks, past the begin, moving up on the outside, Don Guru, True Money, in between horses is Power of Destiny, Kamikaze, and Rindy's Finest is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have Fireworks by about 2 lengths, Power of Destiny is right behind in second, Don Guru, moving up on the outside, True Money, Kamikaze, and Rindy's Finest is the early trailer, and it's still Fireworks by about 2.5 lengths. Then here comes Power of Destiny. Now trying to get closer in second, Kamikaze, Don Guru moving up in this finance. And a long way back to number 6, True Money. There was a spill. Kamikaze, rider of Kamikaze, left seated, EL Blanca Flora. And it's still Fireworks by a length. Here comes Power of Destiny. Don Guru joining them on the outside. Fireworks, Power of Destiny. Don Guru is on the outside as they come down to the last 100. Don Guru is on the outside. Down on the inside is Fireworks. It's now Don Guru, followed by Fireworks, Power of Destiny. And nearing the finish line, it's Don Guru. Second, Fireworks, Power of Destiny, Rindy's Finest, and number 6, True Money.
Ayun, okay na. 3125?
Yep.
May insidente tayo, no?
Na-unseat si EL Blanca Flor doon kay Kamikaze.